reception in Unity Primary School. I'm Carys Sutton. My age is 8 and I go to Manley Park Primary School in Manchester, and I'm going to be here answering some of your questions about my rats. I have got 4 rats. Look. My rats, they're not 1-year-old, they're not 2-year-old, they're not 3-year-old, not even 4. They're 0. They're tiny little baby rats, only a few months old. Aren't you? My rats are all boys, and the reason for that is because usually females are more energetic and males are more cuddly. Although these are babies, so they're just as energetic as females. Generally they will become a bit slower, so yeah, that's why I chose males. Hello. I'm now going to introduce you to all 4 of my rats, and I'll show you their names too. So, Rexy, come on. This is Rex. Come on, Rexy. Rex, Dino. Okay, this is Rory. Hello, Rory. Say hello. This is Stanley, or Stan. And come on. And this is Dino, another one of my rats. By far the biggest of my rats is Rex. And although he's still not big, he's still the biggest. Say hello, Rexy. Come on. Here you go. I don't have a favourite rat. I love them all equally. Some people think rats are the same, but they have very different personalities, and I just don't know which one is better. For example, Rex, this boy, Rex, he's always the first to take the food, which is how he's grown so big. Dino and Stan, here's Stan just to show you. Dino and Stan will always come up and lick your fingers. And Rory here is always the first to come up and up down your sleeve. Aren't you, Rory? A lot of people think rats are dirty, but usually they spend around half their day cleaning themselves. And they do this by, they lick themselves across their body, and also they put their hands over their head to brush it like this. Look, and look what it leads to. Such velvety, silky fur. Hello. Say hello, Rory. A lot of people think rats eat trees, but they don't. That's the same as mice. Some cheeses can even be toxic, but you can make them a mix as an alternative. And fruits and vegetables are good, just don't give them too much of it. But their favourite treat is a pea. See? Don't just sleep in their cage, they live in it, and I'll give you an example. So they usually sleep in this tunnel, that's why there's a load of bedding over there because it all fell out. But what they play with, they should have lots of ladders and bridges and stuff like this in their cage, since they're the most intelligent of all rodents and need a lot of stimulation. But then once you've done all that, it's time to put your rats in. Thank you for watching my video about rats. And now you can have a chance to say goodbye to them. So I'm going to put them in one by one. Hey, say goodbye, Stanley. Come on, let's get you back in. Dino, back in your cage. Say goodbye to Dino. Here goes in Rex. And finally, last but definitely not least, Rory. Say goodbye. Bye. One last thing. So, I know it's really hard in lockdown, so I hope you're okay then. I hope you enjoy learning about the highway rats. Bye.